The Hoover Upright Sensor Plus vacuum cleaner is both powerful and agile. It's a great option for allergy sufferers too. Carpets and hard floors will get the best care thanks to its floor sensor technology. By automatically adjusting the suction power and the speed of the brush bars, every floor type gets a deep and thorough clean. There's no loss of suction power thanks to the multi-cyclonic feature, which also pushes dust away from the filters to keep them cleaner for longer, whilst making emptying the bin easier and more hygienic. Cleaning under sofas and large pieces of furniture won't be a problem with this model's low-profile floor nozzle, which effortlessly swivels to change direction. It even has LED lights, so you'll never miss a spot. For extra flexibility, it's got a 10-meter long cord and a 4.5-meter stretch hose. Plus, there's lots of accessories included, such as a 2-in-1 dusting brush, crevice tool, an extension tube, and a long crevice tool. If you're looking for a powerful vacuum cleaner which can tackle even the trickiest of places in your home, this Hoover Upright Sensor Plus model is a great option.